It's your boy Ago Emmanuel. We are kindly waiting for CPI, this is GBP JPY, and I want you guys to know that any USD news definitely reacts to GBP JPY. So this is 12 minutes after 1. We are waiting for CPI reaction. While we are already on a sell trade, we took a sell and we got stop out by this first double bottom. We got stop out, but we waited and we re-entered. We allowed it to retest this mini zone, then we re-entered for another sell. So currently we are waiting to see what CPI is going to do. So kindly wait and see what CPI have for us. While waiting, I just want you to know that this game is a game where patience is the key. Not just only patience, it's a game of discipline. If you are not disciplined enough, you can't make it. I know this and no peace. Even all the influencers and professionals and mentors and gurus, all of them that you know, let me be frank with you, all of them collect stops. All of them collect stop loss. In one way or the other, in one trade or another, they collect stop loss. But it just bend down to their risk management, their trade management, and their money management, just to be sure that their losses are very minimal, while their wins are very maximal. They're able to make more profits with smaller losses. So we are still waiting. We have about 44 seconds for the next 15-minute candle to pop out. Let's see how the trade is doing in 1 hour. Let's see how it's doing in 1 hour. Let's see. Okay. 1 hour came and retests our trend line that has been holding for a couple of weeks now. So we are going to see if it's going to break down the trend line and keep going down or hit our stop loss. So there's no two ways about it. We are not breaking even in this trade. We are not closing out. What we are just doing is we are waiting patiently to see what the trade has for us. So that hit our stop loss or we take profits. So the next 15-minute candle just popped out and we are waiting to see the reaction of the 15-minute candle. Is it going to whipshaw us? Is it going to go against us, or is it going to keep tanking? I want to know what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Some of you will be asking, why am I waiting for CPI in GBP JPY as a pair, which is a cross pair? What I want you to know is that every pair has a relationship with USD, be it crosses, be it exotic. Whenever there's a major news in US market, it affects every pair. So the news that we are anticipating in USD, which is CPI, Consumer Price Index, it will definitely affect every pair, and GBP JPY is also a pair that we are looking up to. So let's wait and see the reaction. We have like 13 minutes to see, 13 for 50 seconds to see what CPI got for us. How fast is it going to move, or is it going to move to our direction, or we are just going to go home with a swollen face in anticipation of having a better trade tomorrow? So let's patiently wait and see what USD are for us. Let's wait and see. Let us go. Okay, 15 minutes is trying to see if it's coming down. Let's go and check the news that we have today before we come back here. We have this is our Forex Factory. Let's see the news that we have today. Let's see the news. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red folders. We have core CPI, we have core retail sales, CPI monthly, CPI yearly, Empire State Manufacturing. We have retail sales Retail sales. Okay, let's see. So we're anticipating 5 red folder USD news by 1:30. By 1:30. Okay. So let's see. Now let's go back. Let's see what CPI is going to do for us. We have 12 minutes. 12 minutes to see what CPI has for us. 12 minutes to see. 12 minutes to see. 12 minutes to see. 12 minutes to see. Well, I definitely have two strategies of which I trade news, but our advice for new traders, please and please stay away from news. I know that news can make you whole lot of profits during a very short period of time. But that very same news can wipe your entire account within we just we within milliseconds. So the same way you're anticipating to make money with news, the same way news is definitely going to go against you. So I advise every new trader to please stay away from trading news, be it directly correlated to GBP, be it correlated to whichever pair you are trading. So today news is going to affect virtually every pair, but the major pairs the news is going to affect is USD based pair. Pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, all the USD pairs, USD CHF, all the USD pairs. But it's not just only going to get ended, it's going to affect even other crosses. Definitely going to affect other crosses. So let's see. I was trying to talk about having two strategies that I trade news. Yes, I have two strategies that I trade news, but nowadays most pro firm are against such strategy. And that strategy is we use buy stop and sell stop when we are not actually confident in a trade. Buy stop and sell stop. Buy stop stands that if the market is correct, when the market is buying and I'm correct, let it hit my order and continue buying. While sell stop is directly opposite of it. If the market is selling, let it hit my sell order and continue selling. That is buy stop and sell stop. So that's one of my strategies that I use in news trading. I use buy stop and sell stop. While the other strategy is this buy stop and sell stop is my unidirectional, my bidirectional confluence, like when I'm not actually sure of the direction. While the one that I use only limit order, the one that I use maybe just only sell stop or only buy stop, down is unidirectional. Though I know what I'm doing, I know where the trade is going to go. I know what the trend is saying. I know everything. So in that one, I just place my sell stop or my buy stop, then allow the trade to push. But the one I'm not really sure, what I do is I place sell stop and I place buy stop, then allow the trade to do what it has in its mind. So for now, today, I'm not placing buy stop, neither am I placing sell stop. I'm even using my trading view. I'm not even going to my MT5 anyway. So what today I'm actually looking at here is I'm just making this video for us to see the reaction of CPI. About 6 red folder USD news. So let's wait and see what CPI has for us. We are left with 9 minutes. You can clearly see a double bottom down here, and there are multiple wicks. Down there. So the market might go against us, might hit our stop loss, but let's see how it goes. If it go against us, fine. It doesn't go against us, okay. It doesn't go against us, okay, we are good. So we have about 8 minutes left to see what CPI has for us. Let's go to the 1 hour candle and see what it's doing out there. Let us see what 1 hour candle is doing. Okay, we can clearly see that 1 hour candle is actually melting back to the upside. 1 hour candle is melting back to the upside. It's trying to show a bullish strength. So let us see. We have less than 9 minutes to see what the news have for us. So let us wait and see. Let's wait and see. While patiently waiting for CPI, I just want you to know that it's going to take a little bit of time, but just keep learning. Keep learning, learn every day. When you make profits, make sure you learn what you did that was correct and made you make profit. When you take losses, you do the same. We have 7 minutes. 7 minutes to CPI. Let's see what CPI have for us. Are we in the safe side or on the wrong side? There's no two ways about this. You said that you learn or you earn. If you take stop loss, you learn. Then if you take profit, you earn. So don't take stop loss to heart. Just take it as your learning process. Even billionaire traders, they also learn every day because the market is very dynamic. It changes. Market condition changes. You can be making profit last week, and this week you return all the profit back to the market. So that's it. So we have 6 minutes to CPI. Let's see what CPI got. From what I'm seeing, I probably think we are going to hit stop loss. Definitely. We are definitely going to hit stop loss because we have a clear double bottom down here, and if we extend this double bottom down here to the other side, we see that market once reacted there, and you can see market actually reacted here. Market reacted here and pushed back up. Market reacted here and pushed back up, and now we are here. We are here. We are here. We are here. So now market is still at that very spot. Came back, retest that very place, and you can see there's a trend line there. So we are anticipating this market to push back all the way up. But if it goes down, we are still good because we are making money if it goes down. But if it goes up, we'll learn from today's trade. We'll learn from today's trade. Okay. 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 Let's see what the news got for us. We are left with 5 minutes. 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 Let's see what USD have for us. The people that are actually going to make most of the money today is people that trade USD pairs because the news is actually not on pound, neither is it on yen. The news is actually on dollar. So, but let's see how it goes because I just want all of us here to know that USD news definitely affect every currency in the market. So if USD news move, it moves the same way too. But based on the strategy I actually discovered that whenever USD is bullish, GBP JPY goes bullish. Whenever it's bearish, GBP JPY goes bearish. So today again we are going to confirm if the strategy is still working or the market has changed with times. So we have 4 minutes to go, 4 minutes to see the reaction. We have 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. You can see up there I wrote stop me out but waited for a retest and re-enter. The market actually stopped me out from this bullish candle you can see out here, and it came back and retested this zone. Immediately started dropping. I re-entered for a sell, and from what I'm seeing, multiple weeks I've actually took out part of the trade. So I'm waiting to see what the market got for us. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay. Let us see what USD got for us. We're left with 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes. Everybody, if you know you're in this trade, I wish you good luck. I wish you good luck. Make money or you learn something. It's either you learn or you earn. So there's no other way about it. These are the only two ways about it. You learn from your mistakes, you learn from your stop loss, and you earn from your take profits. So if you know you don't want to lose too much, you can as well tighten your stop loss. But tightening your stop loss in a time where we are expecting news is very, 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 very risky because most news will react and take out people's stop loss, take out people's stop loss and starts tanking down. So market will take out liquidity from everybody's stop loss, then keep pushing to the right side. So let's wait and see. Now we are left with 2 minutes. Whoa, 2 minutes to CPI. I know that people that are trading USD pairs are the ones that are going to make the most. But I know that GBP JPY will move at least a little bit to either the upside or the downside. In this trade, we are very, very bidirectional. We are not unidirectional because we don't know what the news guarding for us. But from the analysis we got from the news, probably is going to tank. GBP JPY is going to tank, but from the technicals, the structure that we have here is double bottom. We are clearly seeing a double bottom. We are clearly seeing a double bottom. Yeah, there's a double bottom right up here. We are clearly seeing a double bottom. Price came from the upside, retest, went back to a zone, came back and retest that very zone, and there's a trend line, and there's a trend line that has been in existence. So we are waiting to see. Now I left with just a minute to CPI, a minute to CPI. A minute to CPI. Let's see what GBP JPY got for us. Are we going to go home broke, or we are going to go home smiling? Are we going to go home broke, or we are going to go home smiling? Going to go home broke, or we are going home smiling? Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Ooh, let's wait and see. You can see the reaction started pushing up. Okay, left with 55 seconds. Let's wait and see. Is bullish, and the spread is definitely wide. This is one disadvantage of trading news, because the spread might hit you out and start going to your direction. So just got to be very careful with trading news. But I told you one of the strategy that is the best when it comes to trading news is having a buy stop and sell stop. So having those two limit order, but most times it can go against you. You can hit your buy stop and go back and hit your sell stop, so you have double loss. But left with 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Most time we can wait for a news like this, and at the end of the day, the news will do nothing. The news will just normal push like a normal candle and come back to that direction without doing anything. So you can see how wide the spread is. You can see this 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. Oof, let's see what wow, the spread. Look at the spread. Ooh, we are tanking. We are correct. We are fucking correct. We are correct, bro. I told you from the analysis I had. That this trade is definitely going to tank. It's going to tank. I told you it's going to tank. Woo! That is sweet. This is sweet. Woo! CPI. I told you that from the analysis I had, that if USD is bearish, moves going down. If USD is bearish, I told you that GBP JPY is definitely going to be bearish. So we are bearish. GBP JPY is bearish. I told you that whenever USD turns out like this, it will definitely go the opposite side. And look at, we are going down. We are tanking. You see, whenever USD news comes out and gold, euro, USD, GBP USD is bullish, you see that GBP JPY will definitely go the opposite direction. So we are tanking. You can see that red. You can see that horizontal ray. That is my first TP, which is 3%. So I already bagged that 1:3. While you can see this zone out here, that is 1:4. The entire trade. So firstly, my first TP is smashed, clean, without stress. Let us wait and see what the second TP have. This is going to take a while anyway, but the greatest joy of it is, let me unlock it and show you. The greatest joy of my trades today is 1:3.03 is smashed. So let's call it a day anyway. Today is successful. I can just go back and close the other trade, and I'm cool. I'm grateful, but I'm not satisfied. So since I'm not satisfied, we go again tomorrow. But for today, let's call it a day. So boy, I go, Emmanuel. Everybody, bye bye.